Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Breville. This espresso machine came in with a grinder not working. We cleared the obstruction, recalibrated, and put it back together. And they also wanted us to check the pressure, so I have this at a real fine grind. We're going to do the whole process here. I didn't change anything with the amount of grind or the amount of brewing. It's easily done with the program button. Nice, fine, clumpy, fresh coffee. Anyway, here we go. We'll do a nice pack job, tamp. And we'll keep our eye on the gauge. There we go, look at that, right up at the peak. We have a nice tight pull there. Like I said, I made it a little tight and I tamped it pretty hard. It's a long pull, but you can see it's holding the pressure. There we go, look at that. We're gonna also we'll check the steam one. We'll also check the hot water. Anyway, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.